run in the first 2 matches.
Joloch mag higa mokalo mag Impala Floodlit Menengai Oilers biro chako campaign mar siro loch margi gi tugo e kindgi koda tim mar KCB tarik 18 dweni. Tugo ma ibiro goyo alap ma Impala Club. E quarter final machielo Impala biro gocho gi Mwamba RFC, eka Kenya Harlequins biro hinyo lum gi Black Blood. Mondis biro gocho gi Strathmore e tugo machielo mar quarter final. Jalup jako mar Impala Rugby Club Alvin Rachir olero ni ikruok ni kare motelo ne tielo mar pangwen koda riyo mag Floodlight go. No wacho ni dromo team oketo timbe motegno kanyakla kakoro mano dhi nyuolo tuke mamit mokalo.
Is it? Is it? Queens? Okay. So with regards to preparations, things are going in well. We have already approached sponsors who showed us a very positive response, which we appreciate. We should be tying up on most of the contracts in the coming week. Some have already committed, and usually the easiest thing is most of the people we usually work with are people who've worked in other Impala Floodlight tournaments.
It's not a bad draw. Looking forward to the weekend, which is around 2 weeks from now. It will be a tough tournament, but we expect to do much better than we did last season. Most of the times we have been knocked out at the semis. This time we are looking forward to making the finals and winning it for the first time ever.